Hi there, I'm John Bond from Riverwinds Consulting, and this is Publishing Defined. Today I'm going to talk about how to submit an article to a scholarly journal for possible publication. So, you've done the research, you've compiled your data and drawn your conclusions. Your paper is written. You've had your colleagues and friends give you feedback, and you have made the appropriate changes. You have had it proofread by a friend. Now it is game time. You want to submit the manuscript for publication in a peer-reviewed journal. But how do you proceed? First, draft a list of possible journals for consideration. Hopefully you know and read these journals religiously. This will help you decide which journal to try first based on its individual niche. Next, go to your top targeted journal and read their guidelines for authors or information for authors. Study it and ensure you are in 100% compliance, such as with the requested page count, reference style, types of manuscripts they seek. Third, consider whether you should query the editor of the journal about their interest in the submission. Some journals encourage this, some allow it, and some don't address queries without the actual manuscript. Now you're ready to go. Most journals will use a manuscript submission tracking system. Popular ones are Editorial Manager by Aries Systems, Scholar One by Clarivate Analytics, and many others. When you get to the journal's submission page, your first step will likely be registration. You'll create an account that you will potentially use to check back in on the manuscript's progress. Next, you'll need to enter into the system information about your manuscript. This will include title, authors, including contact information and degrees, keywords, and more. Likely, you and the co-authors will need to sign a conflict of interest statement as well as potential financial disclosures. Next, you will upload the manuscript. The text part of the manuscript will be separate, as might the abstract. After that, you'll upload the various components such as tables, figures, videos, and more. Most journals have exacting requirements as to the format and size of these files. The journal might then display a PDF or compiled version of the paper for you to approve. The final step is, although for some journals it might be earlier in the process, signing a copyright statement or form. All authors of the paper will need to read and sign it, likely electronically. You may need to acknowledge any fees, such as an APC fee, or APC or author processing charge, for an open access journal, but they're usually not due at this stage. You may also be asked for possible colleagues in your area of specialty for the journal to consider for peer review, but the journal is likely to have their own list as well. From there, the journal and the peer review process take over. Each journal has a slightly different procedure, but they all are roughly the same steps. Good luck with your publication. Well, that's it. I'm a publishing consultant and work with associations, publishers, or individuals on a host of content-related challenges. Reach out to me at riverwindsconsulting.com with your questions. Hit the like button below if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel or click on the link to see my video on choosing the best journal for your paper. And make comments below or email me with any questions. Thanks so much and take care.